The city, we D.O.B'd it, so now you stuck out, boy. Cause every young street nigga is screaming duck out, boy. Seems like your luck out, boy. You better get low, because when we hit the dough, you better get dope. I say we D.O.B'd it, so now you stuck out, boy. Cause every young street nigga is screaming duck out, boy. Seem like your luck out, boy. You better get low. But when we hit the dough, we coming for dough. My last option, even though I rock slung, snitches I done dropped some. Telling cops what I done, my hood been interrogated by state and federal agents. They heard that my clique had made it. Been then escalated. Undercovers got my people on scope now. They say we pushing that dope now. I can't even chill with my folk now. When I hit the block, it's like whoa now. If I stop up the block and holler at my little round, next day they giving me the charge. I'm supplying them with brown. Got a deal to guarantee 6 figures off top. This be my last chance, so I'm giving it all I got. You can pop the top and unlock the doors on the drop. I put aside the rocks, but I still got the Glock. Mr. X-Man said, fuck the next man, my dogs need it. When we get heavily weeded, we munch out and get greedy. The city, we D.O.B'd it, so now you stuck out, boy. Cause every young street nigga is screaming duck out, boys, duck out, boys.